Hello, what's your name?
My name is Bao Tram.
Hello, Bao Tram. How do you spell it?
Bao-Tram.
Very good. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Very good. Okay, here we have the body. Okay, can you tell me? So what's number one? So this is
This is my hand.
Show me. Show me your hand. Yeah.
This is my eye.
Show me. Excellent. Number three.
This is my nose.
Well. Nose. Well done.
This is my face.
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 Excellent.
This is my ear.
Well done. Yeah.
This is my arm.
Okay, super job. And one more.
This is my face. My finger.
How many fingers do you have?
Yeah.
How many? One,
1, 2, 5.
5, and here?
5.
So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
10.
10 fingers. Excellent. Okay, here we have this is or these are. Okay, what's number one?
These are my ears.
Yeah, show me ears. 2 ears. Show me. Show me. Yeah. Okay, what's
This is my eyes.
so these are
These are my eyes.
how many?
2 eyes.
2 eyes. Well
eyes.
done. What's number 3?
This is
Yeah.
This is my nose.
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 Yes.
This is my face.
Face. Yeah. Well done. These. These
are my hands.
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 Well done. Show me your hands. Show me. 1 and 2 hands. Hands.
Hands.
Hands.
Hands.
Hands. Excellent. Thank you. Goodbye and see you.
Thank you.
Thank you.